Hi, and welcome to Droplr's Premium Analytics. I'm going to give you an overview of how to use and navigate this feature. Droplr's Premium Analytics gives you a deeper understanding of your drops, and it's a powerful add-on that gives you insights into the overall performance of your account and the performance of individual users and their drops. To access your Premium Analytics, click on Analytics in your drop-down, or simply access it in your tabs. The first thing you'll see when you access your Premium Analytics is account-wide performance data. You can control the time period by using this drop-down menu. Let's use 30 days to get started. Immediately, the table and the chart reflect the time period chosen, in this case 30 days, broken up by week. Let's look at the table first. Here you can see a summary of counts and views for all your account drops by categories over the past 30 days. This includes screenshots, screen recordings, GIFs, and so on. Counts is the number of drops created. For example, there were 505 drops created over the past 30 days. Views are the number of drops viewed in your account for the past 30 days. For example, there were 971 drops, screenshots viewed over the past 30 days. As a note, counts and views are not necessarily directly related. For example, a user may have created a screenshot 60 days ago, but it was viewed 5 times this past month. While the 5 views will be recorded in this table, its associated screenshot is not included in the count because it wasn't created during the past 30 days. Later on, I'll show you how to look at individual drops and their associated views, but for now, let's continue by looking at the chart. With this chart, you can see performance of drops over the past 30 days broken out by 7-day increments. The chart reports both count, which is the number of drops created, and views, which is the number of times drops reviewed. The chart presents totals and each drop type in a stacked bar format so you can see what comprises each drop count and view. For example, screenshots and GIFs. There were 152 screenshots created in the first week of the 30-day period out of a total of 166 total drops created. And there were 279 screenshots viewed over this time period. You can see the number of counts and views by mousing over the chart. You can also single out certain types of drops over this time period by unclicking or clicking each one of these labels in the menu. So you can single out a type of drop, for example. If I just want to look at screen recordings, for example, I could just click on one of these, or screen GIFs and GIFs, I could click on it and I'll also see the performance of this and compare it to the total by seeing the line graph here. It's a line graph of total views and the total drops over the time period. Now let's drill down and take a look at individual users and the drops they create. Just click on the Users tab and you're presented with each user on your team and the analytics associated with each of their accounts. You'll see who on your team created the drops that were counted and viewed in the chart above. You can also search by email, but let's first take a look at the list. You can sort by count, views, or any one of these other types of drops. And if you'd like to search by a certain user, just click on here and you can just type in their email. When you click on the user, immediately the chart above updates for that user, as well as the individual drops that they created is listed below. You can click on and view their individual screenshots, screen recordings, GIFs, and so on. The nice thing here is you can see the actual drops that were created by this user, and you can sort them by the number of views or when it expires. So you'll have the title here, when it was created, the URL, the views, when it expires, if it has a self-destruct, and the privacy if it's public or private. The other nice thing is if you click actually the URL, you'll actually be able to view that drop, and you can actually click on the tray on the side here and view the number of people who saw this drop, whether internal to your team or external. You can change the drop privacy, the expiration, and even delete it if you'd like. If you want to go back to the list view again, you can just click on that arrow, remove the name, and again you'll be shown everybody on your team. You can change the time period here to 7 days, and automatically everything will update above in the graph as well as in the chart below. So that's just a quick overview of Droplr's Premium Analytics. If you have any questions, or if you'd like a quick overview with one of our experts, just contact us on our website through our live chat and we'll be happy to assist you.